Hi guys, this is Rowan, aka the Human Voice Baxi Box, and today I'm bringing you another sound effect. This time it's a phone ringing. Now this sound effect can be really difficult to record because if someone's phone is ringing whilst you're recording audio, it can make this horrible sound, and that just interrupts the whole recording of the sound effect, so you can't really do it. But yes, I have found a sound effect, so I'll play it for you now. So there you go. There's your sound effect. Hope you find it useful on your film, and it's really good to have it without the distortion. Cheers guys. Bye.